what I believe, na if naliligo ka, may the best man wins talaga. Hi, Gunman. Hi, Mr. Sawi. Ano lang yan, diskarte lang yan, boy. Magaling kayo dyan. Magaling nga yung ninununo nyo eh. Diba? Diba ganun naman ang culture ng Filipinos dati? Diba? Kakanta-kanta pa. Nakakamiss nga yung ganong culture eh. Yung ano yun, haharanahin ka ngayon kasi wala nang ganon eh. Wala nang ganon, wala nang sweet-sweet. Puro ano na lang, puro tigbason na lang. Tigbason takarong. Huh? Hi, Juno. Hi, Mr. Kulit. Hi, Nalut. Hi, na free siya. Naniniwala ka pa sa liga para sa amin. Oh, yeah. That's a good point. That's a good point. Actually, naniniwala ako pero at the same time, ano, eto alam mo hindi ko magets sa ano ngayon, sa date ngayon. Ngayon kasi, ang dami ng taong calculative. Dati kasi, purely emotional, pure love lang dati, di ba? Pagka nanligaw ka, you really like that person. That just, ano siya, not just competitions in your head na, I should do this to make her like me, I should do this to make her like me. Pero, more on like, I would like her, so I would do this. Di ba? Ano, you're acting on your emotional state or your emotional love for her. Pero ngayon kasi, it's more on, ano na siya, ang tawag doon, calculative movement na siya, na parang, you're doing things to make her like you. You're not doing things that that you want because you like her. Gets nyo ba? Feeling ko ang hirap ng thought process ko. Like, feeling ko, hindi siya nag-came across na clear sa inyo. Hi, Ricky. Hi, John. Hello, Ron 53. Ganon. Pero merong taong ganon. Meron ding taong hindi ganon. Pero yeah, it's true. Some people does that na, they will really, show you the best of them pag naliligo ka. And then, pero, maybe hindi naman sila nagpapakitang tao. Maybe that's just how they are. Kasi, you won't really get to know that person unless you spend time with them. Diba? Maybe, hindi mo nakita yon sa first. Kaya hindi ako love doctor. I'm still getting to know things. I'm still, nangangapa din ako sa dark. Pero, that's my thought process. Yun yung nasa brain ko. Okay, it doesn't mean that I'm right. Pero, yun yung nasa brain ko. Ang nasa brain ko is, maybe akala mo, minsan kasi, we put some image in our minds na parang, oh, okay, like, siguro may initial impression kayo dun sa girl or sa guy na parang, oh, ganito siyang kind of girl, ganito siyang kind of guy. And you get to know her or him deeper and then you realize na, oh, he's not what I think. Diba? And then you get turned off minsan or you get, parang hindi mo nagustuhan yung ganong side niya. Kasi may time na nag-a-adjust yung person. Diba? Hindi naman automatically na makikita mo yung makikita mo yung ugali niya. Yun, parang wait lang. Ang tawag dito, thinking. May tag-think ako. I mean, parang, let's say na, parang, you're getting to know each other as friends. Di ba, hindi porket na friends kayo, kilala mo na siya na buo. Di ba? There's still